With Lycia VS Code extension, you can import and export your programs and entire projects. To import a program, go to FGL Project Explorer, right-click the project and select the option called Import Program from Zip File. Then, you will get a prompt to pick a file. Pick the archive to import in your Systems Explorer, and click the Select button. As seen in this video, LVSCE will import new program and place its source files into corresponding folders of FGL Project Explorer. Also, the extension will reference new program in FGL project file and create FGL target for it. If you have an archived project, which programs you want to add to your current project, call the project's context menu from FGL Project Explorer and select the same importing option. Pick the archive containing the project, and click Select. LVSCE will add files from the archive to your current project. To export your program, right-click it in the FGL Project Explorer, and select the Export Program to Zip File option from the context menu. Pick a location for the exported file, name the file and click Export Programs. After that, you will have your program archived and placed in the chosen directory. To export your project, right-click it in the FGL Project Explorer, select Export Project to Zip File, and choose the location and the name for your new archive.